Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing UAG Metropolis case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. In India, you can buy this case directly from the official seller from techitech.com. If you use the techitech coupon, you can get 7% discount, and if you try out their social widgets, you can also get a discount up to 10%. I know, a price of 6,500 rupees might sound pretty extravagant, but considering the Tab's price and the protection this case offers, I guess we really don't have a choice. Now with that said, here's the box packaging. It looks pretty simple enough. Now let's unbox it. Well, really there isn't a lot going on with the unboxing. So here's the case. So this is how the case looks on the front. Most of the case is covered with a frog skin-like texture, which is water repellent, and it provides a lot of grip. On the inside, on one side, it has a microfiber inner lining to protect the display and a hard polycarbonate frame on the other side for drop protection. Now let me put on the case. It fits pretty easily, it's sleek enough and looks pretty neat. Now this is how the tablet looks with the case on. It has all the required cutouts, 4 cutouts for the quad speaker, a big cutout on the back for the S Pen, and once you close the case, S Pen is well secured with the flap, so you don't have to worry about dropping the S Pen. On the back, it has a pretty big raised lip for the camera module, so even if you drop it or just place the tablet anywhere, camera module is very well protected. Just like most cases, we also have the Smart Wake function with this case, so whenever we open it, it'll wake up the display. This case also comes with 3 grooves on the lid part, so we can also use it like a stand in 3 different angles. And here's a quick preview. Just like other UAG cases, even this case is drop tested and military grade certified, and it can definitely protect your tablet from most of the drops. By the way, this tablet itself weighs about 560 grams, and with this case, it weighs about 957 grams, and that definitely makes it pretty heavy. But considering the drop protection it offers, we really don't have much of a choice. This tablet definitely looks pretty cool because of its slimmer form factor, bigger display and smaller bezels. It's just too inconvenient to use it without any case. Most of the time, it's just hard to hold it or keep it in a place. So if you're going to use a case anyway, get something better that can offer you drop protection as well. So guys, to conclude, this UAG case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is a great product, looks pretty cool and pretty sleek, and offers you great protection. I would definitely recommend you this product. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this product, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.